Welcome to week 5 of Academic Literacy 302. This week we're going to look at writing the conclusion to your opinion paragraph. So you should have already finished your introduction and your 3 body paragraphs. So the concluding paragraph is the final paragraph of your essay and has 2 parts to it. In part number 1, you repeat the main points of the essay, but you should not repeat any specific examples that you used in the essay. And then in part 2, you make some sort of prediction or statement about the future that you've introduced in your essay already. As you can see here, there's an example that's been done for you about university students reading more books. So the first part here, this is the summary of the main points, and it's a restatement of the thesis statement from the introduction. Then the final part is your final prediction or statement here. The introduction is actually probably the easiest part of the entire essay to write, so it shouldn't take you too long, or shouldn't take too much effort to do. Now, conclusion will often start with something like this: for these reasons, or in summary, or something like that. This shows the reader that you're changing from the body paragraphs where you're stating new points to the concluding paragraphs where you're going to sum up the contents of the essay. Probably one of the most important things in the conclusion is to not bring up new ideas or new points now. Everything that you wanted to say in your essay should have been discussed already in the body paragraphs. If you're trying to discuss new ideas now, that means you should go back to your body paragraphs and try and put those points in here. The conclusion is just a summary of what you've already discussed. On the next page, we have an essay about the consumption tax in Japan. And as you can see, the introduction and the 3 body paragraphs have been written for you. So your job now is to have some conclusion writing practice. So read through this essay, and down the bottom here, please try to write your own concluding paragraph. Now, once you've done the practice with the consumption tax paragraph, then you can come to this page and start to write your own conclusion for your opinion essay. And again, you can break it into the 2 parts: the summary of the main points and the prediction or final statement. And once you've done that, please add it to the file that you've already got your opinion introduction and 3 body paragraphs with. Again, each teacher will have a different date and different length that they want. So please go to Manaba and check exactly when the date is for submission and how long they want the conclusion. And if you have any other questions, please check with your teacher. Thank you.